Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are learning Power BI and want to work with dates efficiently, today's video is perfect for you. And we will dive into the calendar function in Power BI, what it does, how to use it, and some practical examples. So, here let's get started. First, let's understand what calendar is. Okay, calendar is a DAX function in Power BI that generates a table of continuous dates between the start date and then end date. Okay, this is very helpful when you want to create a date table for time based analysis like sales trend, monthly reports, or yearly comparisons. Let's look into the syntax. Here's the syntax for the calendar start date and end date. Start date means what? This is the first date in your date table. End date means the last date in your date table. You can use either a fixed date or a column reference from an existing table. Okay, let's see this in the action. Okay, I created a date table for the year 2023. Here, how to create a table? Look, here we have an option new table, and then I added date table is equal to calendar of date of 2023 1 January 1st to 2020 2023 January 1st to 2023 December 31st. Okay, what it will do here now, Power BI will create a table with all dates from January 1st, 2023 to December 31st, 2023. Okay, you can also add additional columns like year, month, and week number using the tax function. Like I already told you what is the year function, month function, and week number will do, right? So that you can apply here. Look, go to the table here, this view, table view, and I created the year. Year is equal to year of that date. It will give the year, and month will give you the month, and week number will give you the week. Falls under first week. This falls under the second week, like that. Okay, this will give you the week number. What it will do, this makes your date table ready for advanced reporting and time intelligence calculations. Okay, and what tips I can give you here is that always create a date table when working with time intelligence in Power BI, and use calendar auto if you want Power BI to be automatically detect the date range from your data. Okay, you can combine calendar with the other tax functions to generate dynamic date tables. Fine. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can use the calendar function in Power BI to create a date table and analyze your date over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more Power BI tutorials. Okay. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.